And away from that, a professor of public health at the Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Ms. Selina Ijadwola, says there is a need to design the university curricula in a way that will address the particular needs of Nigerians. She was speaking at the University Undergraduate Student Summit held at the Oduduwa Hall of the university. Rafiu Hamid has more and will be back. Let's bring you that report now. In the meantime, the International Union for Conservation of Nature says about 44,000 species of plants, animals, and other species fall into the threatened categories. Out of these, about 309 in Nigeria are threatened, despite the advantages these species have to human survival. At this year's commemoration of International Biodiversity Day, Nigerians are reminded of the importance of protecting our biological diversity. Moyo Thomas reports. After that, business news.
The 22nd of May is set aside to commemorate the International Biological Diversity Day. This day is to raise awareness on the importance of conserving our ecosystem. According to conservationists, trees, wild plants, mosquitoes, lizards, frogs, etc. are all important elements in our ecosystem that helps us function adequately as humans.
Biodiversity provides the food we eat. It provides the clean water we drink. It provides the pollination of the crops.
Records show Nigeria has lost over 1 million hectares of land, thereby losing the natural habitat of our biodiversity. This and other factors pose a major threat to Nigeria's biodiversity, including pollution caused by agro and industrial chemicals with harsh effects on plants, birds, and our water body. Other threats are poaching and hunting.
So we are actually consuming, what should help defend us against, climate change. Someone will ask, how will a little animal help? That is why it is called an ecosystem. We are also part of the ecosystem. So when you destroy the food chain, when you destroy the chain, then it impacts on the entire ecosystem.
He says there are dire consequences to altering our biodiversity.
But you need those microorganisms in the soil, right, for soil fertility. So you destroy everything. So directly, it impacts on our food security. It also impacts on our health. Because before now, we rely so much on herbs. Where do they come from? Biodiversity. Even now, many of the pharmaceutical companies rely on some of these herbs, plants, to produce, some of the drugs that we take.
To mitigate these challenges that destroys our biodiversity, Dr. Michael says it requires collective effort of both government and individuals.
Yes.
Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.